One more time. Breathe in the light, vital life force energy from the earth. Smash all the big emotions, all the frustration, all the anger, anything from yesterday that you may be holding on to that does not serve you or your family or those around you. Release it. Life is happening. Don't resist it. Allow things to be what they are. See the beauty in everything that feels uncomfortable, because everything in your life is showing you something that you need for your journey. So allow. Don't resist. Let it be and keep moving forward, because God is always watching over you and protecting you. You understand?